Let me show you how to set up scheduled driver deductions and additions in ezLoads. Are you dealing with recurring costs like insurance or ELD fees? Wouldn't it be great to have them automatically deducted from your driver's payments? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up scheduled deductions and additions in ezLoads. Let's get started. Creating a schedule for driver deductions. First, navigate to Drivers and select the driver from the list. Scroll down to Scheduled Payments Deductions and click the green Add button. Choose Deduction under Type, enter the amount, and select the category. If the category isn't listed, just click New Category. Pick how often you want this addition to happen, whether it's weekly or monthly, and choose the start date from the calendar. Decide how many times it repeats or select an end date. Here, under what period is this deduction for, use the calendar to select the period the deduction will cover. Once you pick the date, the period column under Schedule, on the right, will display the time period for each transaction, making it easy to track all deduction periods. You can also add a custom description or notes for these additions to provide more details. Finally, review the preview on the right to ensure everything is correct, and click Save to finalize the schedule. Once you click Save, a pop-up window will appear. If you choose Yes, past transactions for the scheduled deduction, along with transactions for the next 5 days, will be generated right away. If you choose No, these past transactions will automatically be created overnight. Finally, click Save to confirm your settings. This process is the same for both scheduling additions and deductions. Just select Addition, enter the amount, choose the category, and follow the same steps. Editing schedule. To edit the schedule, click the green pencil icon. You can adjust details such as the amount, category, and dates. You can also pause a schedule and resume it later if needed. To completely remove it, you'll need to delete all generated transactions first. The best solution is to deactivate it instead. That's it. Simple, right? Need extra help? Reach our support team at support@ezloads.net. Enjoy using ezLoads.